Engaged lessons for the 21st century.
Lesson 1. Weathering Erosion, Chemical and Physical. Now you've probably already clicked on this button to obtain this video, and what we have over here on the right is chemical weathering. You'll notice that we're inside a cave, and because of the chemical with the water, it is deteriorating all of the stone. Same thing holds true here. However, below we have physical weathering because of the wind and the rain. And over here, the ice cracked up this huge stone, or rock, if you will. That is physical. Now, if you look carefully over here on the left, what it says is weathering is the name for all ways a rock may be broken down. There are two kinds of weathering, physical and chemical. In physical weathering, the physical properties of a rock change, but it remains the same kind of rock. Physical weathering occurs in areas where temperature change causes rocks to expand, shrink, and break off. Plants and animals also cause physical weathering. Plant roots break up rocks as they grow, and rodents loosen rocks as they dig in the ground. Now, chemical weathering. The physical properties of rock change, and it no longer remains the same kind of rock. Chemical weathering dissolves rocks by chemical changes. Weather dissolves rock salt. Water also reacts with some minerals, causing them to roll into soft clay. Rainwater can cause chemical weathering. Carbon dioxide in rain makes a weak acid that wears away limestone in caves. Chemical and physical weathering often acts together. After reading the examples of physical and chemical weathering above, which we just read to you, write which type of weathering is shown in each statement below. Now, I'm going to give you an example for the first one. Oh, before we do that, if you look down here, we have a comparison of physical and chemical weathering. Here, physical, you can see it's broken in half, and chemical, you can see by the rain, everything is dissolving. Over here, you can see physical weathering. We have a tree growing in through a rock, separating it, and our little rodent buddies over here are digging holes. A lot of chipmunks around your house probably do the same thing. Now, back to the question. Number 1, we want you to put a P for physical and a C for chemical. Number 1, a rock splits apart from frost. What is that? Well, that's a P for physical. What we want you to do is pause the video, complete the rest of these questions, then play the video, or continue playing it, and we will provide you with the answer. If you would, please pause the video now. Thank you. Okay, welcome back. Let's see what we have here. Number 2, we have water and Svitspar, that's a mineral, from clay. What is causing that? That's going to be chemical. Number 3, a tree breaks a boulder as its roots grow. That's going to be physical. Rainwater eats through limestone. Chemical. A chipmunk breaks up a rock as it burrows underground. Physical. When water in a river or stream moves quickly, it can lift up rocks from the bottom of that body of water. Okay, that's got to be physical. Water dissolves minerals in a rock, producing new compounds. That is going to be chemical. Roots of plants growing into rocks. Physical. Living organisms perform chemical reactions to obtain minerals. Chemical. That's chemical for sure. The rushing of powerful waves towards cliffs. Physical. Well, we hope your answers matched ours, and we'd like to thank you for watching our video.
That's all, folks.